Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're learning about contouring. So contouring is basically redefining and shaping your face. There are different types of shapes for a face, and these shapes have different ways to do contouring. At the end, it's to achieve an oval-shaped face, which has a sharp jawline, sharp cheekbones, and a smaller shaped forehead. Also, we're going to learn about blush and highlighting. So there are two types of products that are generally used for contouring. One is the cream-based, which is like this, and one is the powder-based. So generally it's according to your preference of what type of product is more comfortable for you. Like in my previous video about foundations, how the different textures work of foundation on your face is the same way different type of stick, or cream based or powder based, works according to your skin type. I'm going to show you how to do contouring and highlighting with cream product on one side and powder on one side. So you basically use the dark brown tones to create a shadow, and you use the concealer or you use a highlight to enhance your other features on your face. So I'm going to show you half my face with cream products, and I'm going to show half my face with my powder product. When you shape your face, you work within your cheek, your jawline, your nose, your forehead. So basically, when you're contouring your cheekbone, you work from the tip of your ear till your cheekbone, which ends here, and you don't go beyond that, because when you go beyond that, it covers up the main side and it makes your face look darker. So you always want to remember to keep your highlight, your contouring and blush on just before your bone. You don't want to go lower, you don't want to go higher, you want to go diagonal till here. To understand better, you can take any brush so that you can get the shape, and you want to go like this, not like this or like this. You want to go diagonal. For highlighting, I'm going to use my normal concealer. You want to focus on under your eyes, under this area, and the remaining areas which is not being contoured. For your nose, you can take a thin brush like this, dab on your product. So you want to go from the brim of your nose and you go straight down here and you mark a V. Can you see the difference from the shape here and the shape here? And over this side, I'm going to show the powder contouring. I'm going to use this brush. I'm taking in this color here. The highlight, I'm gonna use this shade. So now we blend our face, and I'm going to show you after blending how the contouring looks. Now you can see how the contouring is done on my face. The cream side, because it's blended, it does not look very visible. So you can definitely use the powder product over the cream to enhance the contouring. You can see different ways for your face type of how contouring would work for you, and it's not necessary you have to do it every day, but once you get into the habit of trying and doing it, you eventually start wanting to do it every day. So just keep practicing, try and see if it works out for you. Now we're gonna learn about blush. So blush is basically you apply it right above the contouring area, and it's just a flush of color in shades of pink or browns or oranges, and it's mainly applied onto the cheek, the apple of the cheekbone. So when you apply blush, you smile and it creates that flush of color on your face. I'm gonna be using this shade. And now that we have done blush, you can already see there's a little color on my face. Now we're gonna work on highlight. So highlight basically is a shiny powder that is applied onto the main cheekbone to enhance your cheekbone, to make your cheekbone shape look really sharp. And you can apply it with a blending brush, you can apply it with a fan brush, you can apply it with any sort of brush that you're comfortable with. There are a variety of colors for highlighter that you get available in the market. Highlighter again comes in two types. It's either in the powder formation, and now they've started coming up with a lot of liquid highlighters. So I'm gonna show you a liquid highlighter. I'm using the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Liquid Champagne. So it looks something like this, and it comes in form of drops, and you get this in different other brands as well. It's a very pretty rose gold shade, and I'm gonna mix it with this baking oil from Makeup Revolution. I'm just gonna take a drop on my hand of the baking oil, and I'm gonna take a drop of the highlighter. And your cheekbone here, you apply the highlighter wherever, whatever you want to enhance. Just a little bit here. Apply a little on your nose. Keep it strong. highlighter on top with a fan brush, and it goes even more shiny when you go out. So let me know if you have any doubts or queries, and do comment below. Please just press the like button and subscribe button, and please do press the bell icon to know more about what I'm gonna come up with next. Thanks for everything.